So our student Bailey at the library today developed these wheels and the attachments with the motors. These motors are called, we call them block motors for Lego Technics parts at the bottom there. She added them to the VEX dump truck. The VEX dump truck is available in this construction kit. I bought mine on eBay for less than the cost shown here, but it assembles real well. We've got code in our Microbit, this device right here. Here's the code. I'll put a link to this code in the video. This is the Microbit. That's what it looks like. This is mounted on a motor driver right here, like this motor driver right here, with two motors as shown, only instead of gears, we've got the wheels. Here's the channel that we have, and we're going to put this video on that channel. And then when you look down in the description of the video, you will see that there is a code link right here which will install this program on a computer. Then you can download it to this Microbit, and that with the Superbit power source will drive this dump truck as shown. There are many more things we can do with this program. You can see that it's lighting up little LED lights when I press buttons. Green for forward, red for backward. So there'll be more on this. We're going to add a motor to operate the dump truck, the dump bed. We can put on many different kinds of motors and sensors. So you will see more on this.